Governor, tell us about the budget that you signed today.
Well, this is an outstanding budget. What a great outcome. 2 years in a row. But this was a situation where we structurally balanced the budget in a thoughtful way. We were able to put more money in the rainy day fund. We now will have $500 million in the rainy day fund. We're paying down long-term liabilities, and we're building a future here to say, here's a long-term path of success. These are exactly the things you should do in a good budget, and we're going to keep it up.
What are some of the other great things that are in the budget that the people of Michigan can see and look for?
A number of things. We added money to education to start with, over $200 million, which is a good increase. But it wasn't about just spending money. It was about performance funding. It was about best practices, many good things there. But then you continue on. Public safety was a major area. We're going to add 180 state troopers. We're going to do mental health courts. And also community ventures, really looking at the structurally unemployed. How can we get them a job? Because if they have a job, they're not going to get into crime. They're going to have a much better quality of life. On the human service side, important things. Children in particular were a priority. We're adding over 500 human service workers to help with children's services. We're doing Healthy Kids Dental. We're adding dollars to autism. These are all exciting things. These are great programs.
Now that this is done, what's next?
Well, we're going to keep going in terms of the budget process, but other projects on the horizon are we need to look at reforms for our public employee retirement system. That's an important issue because right now we have unfunded liabilities of about $45 billion. That's too much. We need to make sure people have a good retirement, and we also need to look at long-term cost structures. So let's look at some reforms there to more and better manage those costs for the long term and give better confidence to the people in the program.